What's up, everybody? Jay Weitzner here. So the last few videos, I've been talking more about the clients I see that have injuries, that have mobility issues and pain issues, and kind of what I do to help you all get a better sense of what I do in case I can help you. But today I need to talk about something different. So today I'm going to talk about the leg press, and here's why. There are so many videos out there with trainers all over the place giving anywhere from terrible to simply antiquated advice. So we need to correct this. And specifically, I'm going to talk about the leg press today because I've had a few clients lately that have sort of graduated from doing work with me, and now they're off to exercise on their own, and I've been teaching them how to do this stuff. Here's the leg press. So, number one, a general rule that I have that I like to really apply to most of my clients is the following. You do not want to be in a position that you cannot get yourself into. So in other words, don't sit on the leg press and slide it all the way forward and then jam your legs in here. Don't do that. Because listen, this machine wants to smush me, right? It wants to smush me. Its goal is to smush me this way. So the question is, how far should I let it smush me? Another way to ask that question is, how smushable am I? How smushable are you? So let's see, right? So here's what you do. Get in the leg press, everybody, or whoever wants to get in the leg press, and set it back so it's the furthest, greatest distance. And sit back here and lift your legs up. Watch. 1, 2. Can you do that? Because I've got a client that wasn't even able to get her legs up there at all. That means this wasn't for her. Because she was telling me how someone was telling her, just help your legs up. And no. She couldn't even put her own legs in the machine. The machine's not for her. Moving on. So lift your legs up. Once you're here, remember, this machine is trying to shove me backwards. So let's see. Can I go backwards? Here we go. This leg first. Yes, I can. This leg. Yes, I can. I can go this way. Okay, let's try to go a little closer. I'll slide this seat closer. Try it again. I can do it. Do it again. Try it again. Ready? I can do it. I can still pull my feet off of here. I can still move into the position that I'm being smushed. Let's try another setting closer. Ready? I can't do it. I'm unable to pull my legs further this way. Remember, that's the direction the machine is trying to push me. So what's the story? I found a position that I am unable to move myself into. This is the max. So listen, we got a couple options. We can either say, fine, this is where I'll do the work. If I had a client that maybe had some hip or knee or ankle stuff or spine stuff, whatever, I might say, hey, let's play it a little safer. Let's back out just one setting and slide the seat back just one, right? So I get myself a little more leeway. Anyway, so now I figured out where to be. Once I'm there, here's the next few rules. And I'm not going to get too insanely specific here, but this is going to be general information for pretty much everyone. Number one, this machine is pushing me straight back. So I want my effort straight forward. So in other words, it's a little bit tough to see with this camera angle, but I don't want my knees coming together. Watch, I'm going to lower one leg just for this. I don't want my knees coming in. I don't want them going out. This thing is pushing me straight back. I want to go straight forward. So just be aware of that. Don't let your knees come together. Don't let them come apart. Forward and back. Got it? That's a big one. The next one is this. Your speed. I'm a big proponent of not using momentum. Remember, this is not a video for everyone. So that there's certain athletes out there, or power people, whatever. This video may not be for you. But for the 99% of other people, this absolutely is for you. Move with no momentum. That means every degree you put yourself into, it should be because you got yourself there, not the momentum of the machine. So if I do a push like this, push real fast, watch what happens. See how the machine kept going even after I stopped? That's because I generated momentum and it kept going. Don't do that. So watch. Every single rep, we're looking like this. I'm in control. I'm responsible for every degree of motion that I'm performing. This machine is only moving because I'm making a move and I'm determining the rate at which it moves. move at that speed. Those are the really primary important things here. That's the big stuff. There's other things we can talk about, and I can talk about it more next time. If anyone watching this video and you wanted to learn more about it, yeah, we can discuss where do your feet go? What's the result of your feet being in different positions? How about my back against this pad? Is there anything to say about that? There definitely are some things to say about that. So if you found this helpful, just let me know, and I'll talk to you way more about it. And remember, if you want real, detailed, helpful information, you're not going to get it from 2 seconds from an Instagram video. You're not going to get it from some trainer with his shirt off just flexing the whole time either. This stuff takes time, and if you want to work at loads high enough and you want to work intensely enough to get the gains that come with that, and gains, I don't mean just getting big, I mean bone density, strength, really cool stuff, you're going to need to take some time to really figure these things out. So that's it. Hope that helps. Thanks, everybody.